welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe right now. My name is Bubbles, the baddie for my new subscribers. I'm getting super duper long nails today. I'm getting fucking long nails, and I'm super excited because those are like a whole fucking vibe. They're so fucking cute. The only thing I'm worried about is like, will I be able to fucking function? But we're gonna see, okay? So I'm about to go get these nails done. I'm already at my appointment, so yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this freaking video.
1, 2, 3.
Hey baddies, this is day 2 of my back to school prep. Okay, so today I'm dyeing my hair. This hair is from Arabella Hair. I want to thank them so much for sending me this wig. This is a 613 body weight wig in 20 inches, and it is a 13x4 frontal. First step is to let the hair sit in the soft lavender color. After letting the hair marinate in the soft lavender color, now just detangle the hair to make sure that it will be able to absorb the second color. Now I'm just letting the hair sit in the periwinkle hair color. I'm detangling the hair once again to prepare it for the final step. When I took the hair out of the periwinkle color, it still felt too dull and too pale, so I decided to actually start painting the dyes onto the hair, and I even added in a neon pink color just to give it even more color and more dimension. I'm that bitch, been that bitch, still that bitch, ayy, will forever be that bitch. Yeah, this hair color came out so fucking, this hair color is bomb as fuck. Like, I surprised myself. I'm being completely honest with y'all. I surprised myself because I didn't think it was gonna look this fire. It looks so freaking good, y'all. My hair looks so freaking bomb. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it, honey, okay? So, I gotta say thank you to my boy Quilly because he slayed my head. Once again, what's new?
Nothing new, nothing changed.
I mean, this is a weekly thing. He always slays my hair. Like, the hair, the crimps, perfect. The fucking baby hairs, because let's really get into these. Yeah, get into it. Perfect, a work of fucking art. Like, he really did the fuck out of this. I did the fuck out of the color because let me, like, I did this color. I got purples and pinks and I'm really giving. I don't know what I'm giving, but I'm fucking giving it, okay? Like, period, okay? Y'all gotta make sure y'all follow my tutorial so I can get this look because it looks bomb as fuck. Like, hey, what was that, sweetie? What? Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. Like, period. As much as I like this look, it took me so freaking long. Like, it took me a good, I started doing my hair at like 11 or 12 something. It took me like a good 4 to 5 hours to get this fucking hair color right because like I had to keep trying different things because I really wanted like a lavender color and they didn't have that in the store. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna buy 2 purples in between those, like 2 purples that's in between that lavender color and mix them and get the lavender color, but it did not work out like that. So basically after that I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna throw some pink in there, throw some purple in there, like some deeper purples, and this is what I came up with. It looks so good. This is really a freaking serendipity because I did not think it was gonna come out this well, but I'm obviously so glad that it did because my hair is bomb. Like, oh my goodness, it's so freaking fire. It's so freaking fire, y'all. Like, bitch, I cannot. If you want to shop this hair, I'm gonna have all the details linked down below, including a coupon code. This hair is $613 originally, but obviously I dyed it, and it is 20 inches. Y'all see that comes, you know, about to the end of my bra, and I'm 5'3" for a reference, and it's giving body. Ooh, I'm giving face, but like I really look bomb as fuck. I gotta thank Arabella Hair for sending me this hair because I look so bomb with it, and I like when I get like 613 hair because I can be creative like this and try out new looks. And I know y'all like when I try out new looks too, because black gets boring very easily. But yeah, y'all, I love it. Like literally, I'm not even kidding y'all, I think this might be my favorite freaking hairstyle that I've ever gotten, like for real, because it's colorful, it's fun. I love crimps, I love how it looks on my skin, the baby hairs. Like this literally is like my favorite hairstyle because it's so good. Only thing that I would say bad about this hair that I realized pretty early on when I was dyeing the hair, a lot of it came out. Like when I say a lot, this is not even all the hair that came out, but a lot came out. And I'm not sure if that's like normal when you're dyeing hair, because this is the first time that I've like actually dyed hair. Earlier, you know, I just do like streaks in hair or whatever, but this is my first time dyeing like a whole wig, so I'm not sure if this is normal or not. But yeah, it is a lot of shedding when I dyed it. I haven't really been having any shedding lately, but I mean I just got it done, so I won't really be able to tell. But I'm definitely gonna keep this wig on for a minute so I can give y'all a better update, and because I love it so much, like I don't even want to take it off. Like I love this hair, it's so fun and different. Like I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. I did get some pictures and some videos when I got my hair done. Obviously I'm gonna insert them. Okay, Betty, so it is the night before freaking school starts. Well, sort of. Anyway, I'll explain that in my actual getting ready for the first day of school video. But yeah, so I just took a shower, but you know, I don't give a fuck that I'm going to college. I don't give a fuck that it's online. I just want to be bougie and extra, so I'm gonna do it, and nobody's gonna stop me. Period. Okay, y'all, so I already washed and everything, but I want to be extra, so I'm going to use this body scrub. And this body scrub is from Victoria's Secret, and it's just supposed to get your skin smooth, and nobody going to be able to touch my skin because
Coronavirus!
I'm about to go use this right quick, and I'm going to come back to y'all once I am thoroughly clean, thoroughly exfoliated, and then when y'all can see me, because I won't be naked anymore. I mean, I got on a towel, because which I thought this was, but once I'm clothed and finishing up getting ready for the first day of school.
15 minutes later.
So I try to be cute or whatever. I'm trying to put on a little scrub. It didn't do shit for me. I feel like it made my skin feel worse. I thought my skin was already smooth and soft, and then I put that on and it just was like
trash.
But thankfully I used this little body oil from Brat's collection, and this shit is actually like really good. I can tell it's like bringing like the color back. I don't know how to explain it, but because it has like this brown, like bronze tint or whatever, it makes your skin look like brighter and stuff. It looks good or whatever. But yeah, so I'm already nice, real moisturized thanks to Brat's collection. Make sure I go shop with her. She also sent me some lip glosses and stuff too, and I'll probably use those for my first day back to school. Get ready with me, but that's not till tomorrow, so I gotta wait on that. Make sure I turn your post notifications so you'll be notified when that video drops. I need to order my books because I haven't done it yet, so I'm about to do it right now while I'm letting my little mask sit. And yeah, okay. Oh my god, it's wasting. Oh my god, I kid y'all not, I just got on my Comme des Garçons sneaker, and that shit was like expensive. I tried, and shit just always. Y'all realize that every time I try, it'd be like, for what? The universe be like, for what, bitch? No, we're not gonna let you be great. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit on my face while I order my textbooks. Okay, buddy, so my face is like frozen and stiff as shit. I got Botox. Yeah, I put way too much on this stuff. I want to peel this off because I want to feel my face again. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying, bro. If you never had a peel off mask, get one. Look at this.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's like sheets of skin, but not really. Y'all smell so freaking good. That stuff smells so good. That body oil. Like, when I run out of that one, like, sis, let me order another one because, girl. Ew. This is not satisfying at all. This is just gross. And this is messing up my nails. Y'all broke on my freaking nails. I'm so freaking mad because of course my nail will wait to break the day before school. I went and do it 2 days before, 3 days before, or 5 days before when I could go get it fixed. No. It said I'm gonna wait till the day before when she has no fucking options. Yeah. This peed me off. Oh, it's on my scarf thing. Great. I love it.
Eventually.
So now that I'm all done with that, I'm just gonna put some coconut oil on my skin. My lungs been like really crusty lately because quarantine. Okay, yeah, because them things, my teeth, they crusty. Crusty dust. Okay, guys, so the last step for me to finish preparing for back to school is to whiten my freaking teeth. I haven't whitened my teeth in months, so this is the perfect opportunity. You know, going back to school, you always want to get nice and freshened up. So I'm going to be using my whitening kit from Electric Finds. Again, I'm gonna have a coupon code for y'all in the description box if y'all want to shop with this brand, but I really like it. I definitely saw some results the first time I used it, and it's super easy to use. So I'm just applying the gel to the little tray where my teeth are going to be at. Now I'm about to just put it in my mouth and plug it into my phone. This is so lit. I'm sorry, I'm still not over this. Hey.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so I took the little tooth whitening thing out, but guess what, boo boo? My boyfriend waited such at me after I put the thing in my mouth. I'm supposed to brush my teeth first, and I don't really feel like doing it over again. So this is the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure I give it a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you aren't a baddie, so you become a baddie. Bye, baddies.